Nesting is when we add an additional function within an argument or value of another function. This allows us to create more complex formulas that can perform multiple calculations or evaluations all at once. In this example, the sum function is nested inside the if function. The sum function calculates the sum of the values in cells A1 to A10, and the if function evaluates whether the sum is greater than 100. If the sum is greater than 100, the formula returns yes. Otherwise, it returns no. To nest functions in a formula, simply enter the name of the function you want to nest as an argument for the function you're using. For example, to nest the average function inside the if function, you would write, if sum A1 to A10 is larger than 100, then under the true area we have our secondary function. If average A1 to A10 is larger than 60, then for true we state average high, for false we state average low, then if the sum of A1 to A10 is less than 100, we get a statement saying no. The average function is triggered only if the sum A1 to A10 is larger than 100. It then checks if the average of the range A1 to A10 is larger than 60. If the average is larger than 60, the formula returns text stating average high. If the average is smaller than 60, the formula returns text stating average low. If the sum of A1 to A10 is lower than 100, the formula will not even look at the average function as it goes straight to the false value and returns text stating no.